Oh, is that how you do it? Welcome back to my channel. If you are not subscribed, I'm gonna give you some time. Go ahead and do that right now. You done? Okay, so today on my channel, I am going to do like a DIY vanity situation. You know, I haven't had time to actually shop and get a vanity or a chair. I'm probably gonna do a DIY chair on another video, but right now this is just gonna have to work. So if you want to continue to watch this video, stay tuned. I've moved everything that I'm gonna have over here on my DIY vanity situation. And let me say this because I know you guys are thinking it. Don't worry about where I'm wearing my bonnet. I took my braids out and she not cute. I don't have on no proper, I'm like really in some chill stuff. Like this is cut up, like just mind your business. But anyways, I'm going to now reorganize this little section. I had like clothes in them, shirts, stuff like that. I emptied them all out because I have hair and like I'm gonna put some hair in here. I haven't decided what else to put in these. Oh Jesus! So I'm gonna fill them with stuff so I have a little more space. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I ended up buying a chair, a vanity chair. I was gonna do a DIY, but I was just like, ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I ended up buying a chair, and I think it worked out cute. It's real. It's snazzy, bitch. Okay. It's black. It's velvet. It's trimmed in gold, which I love, and we're gonna make it work. And this is just gonna have to do until I get a real vanity I haven't been able to find what I want, and I don't know. And they're expensive. Like, what I really want is expensive, and I got time for that, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, share, and tap that bell so you don't miss any more of my videos. All right, y'all. Till the next one.